Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve NumPy joining array. And this video is from NumPy series of videos. So let's begin. Joining NumPy arrays. Joining means putting contents of two or more arrays in a single array. In SQL, we join tables based on a key, whereas in NumPy we join arrays by access. We pass a sequence of arrays that we want to join to the concatenate function along with the access. If access is not explicitly passed, it will take as 0. So let's see. In this example, I'm just going to run this two examples first. Here, first I'm just going to import NumPy as NP. This is my one-dimensional array 1 and this is another one-dimensional array, that is array 2. So I need to concatenate, or I need to join these two arrays. As you can see, array 1 comma array 2. So this is what we are doing. So we just joined these two arrays in the second example, and this is a two-dimensional array. Both are two-dimensional arrays only. So here we are just passing access equal to 1. As you can see, this is the output which we got. So we are just joining these two-dimensional NumPy arrays. As you can see here, these two things are joined and these two things are joined. Basically this is a two-dimensional array, right? And the output is also a two-dimensional array. Joining arrays using stack functions. Stacking is same as concatenation. The only difference is that stacking is done along a new axis. We can concatenate two one-dimensional arrays along with the second axis, which would result in putting them one over the other, that is stacking. We pass a sequence of arrays that we want to join to the stack method along with the axis. If axis is not explicitly passed, it will take as 0. So here you can see, in place of concatenate, I am using stack. So let's see the output. So here you can see, here I'm just passing the axis equal to 1. This is the output. 1 4, this is one row, and 2 5, this is another row, and 3 6, another row. Now stacking along rows. So NumPy provides a helper function h stack to stack along rows. So I'm just going to run this thing. Here you can see h stack 1 comma array NumPy array 1 comma NumPy array 2. So here you can see, when I used h stack, I'm getting one-dimensional array only. So here you can see, when we want stacking along rows, this is what we got. This is along the row. Here in the second example, stacking along columns. So here we got the columns, right? Here I'm just using v stack. When we want columns, we are using v stack. When we want rows, so rows are horizontally available one, right? That's why we are using h stack. When we want columns, these are vertical ones, right? That's why we are using v stack. So you can see the output. Stacking along height, depth. NumPy provides a helper function dstack to stack along the height, which is the same as depth. So dstack. So let's see the output, then we can understand clearly. So here you can see we got this thing. So 1 4 is in one row, and 2 5 is in another row, and 3 6 is in another row. So basically we got a 3-dimensional array, right, when we used this dstack. And do practice, you will get all these things. And that's it for now. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.